So, 3 weeks of creating and sharing YouTube videos. How and where do I get the money for project materials, you ask? Watch on. I'll tell you 3 ways on how I get the money for the materials that I use in making videos. By materials, I mean, you know, like the paints, the boards, the letters, or when I show food items, the ingredients. But I also want to share something tangible with my viewers. Today, that something tangible is 3 meals for under $5. Then I'll tie all of that in. I'll tie that with my 3-week YouTubing update report. Watch on the 3 meals, at least one of them will be pretty amazing. In this video, I'll show you how I make room in our budget for material expenses. This is Beth. Welcome to Party Fun Fun. Let's start this tutorial. Boil 1 chicken breast, shred it, put mayonnaise to taste, then divide it into 2. Meal number 1, portion number 1. Mix the chicken and the mayonnaise. Season with paprika and celery salt. Are you wondering what that yellow-orange thing is next to the chicken? Keep watching and you'll be amazed. I think we need more celery salt. I like the taste of celery salt. Tell me in the comment below if you like celery salt. If not, why not? Be sure to mix in the seasoning well. Now take 2 slices of bread. If you guessed the first meal is a sandwich, you're right. I like soft bread. The softer, the better for me. But any kind of bread will do. What is this yellow-orange stuff, you ask? Why, it's a slice of mango, and under it is a slice of provolone cheese. Make sure the mango isn't too soft. Put a slice of cheese and a slice of mango on 1 slice of bread. Then spread some chicken and mayo on top of the mango. If you're liking this video, please subscribe below to see more videos like this. Now put some lettuce and ta-da! Our first meal is chicken mango sandwich. If you're ready, you can bite into this sandwich right now. But don't forget, we still have 2 more meals coming up. I like my sandwiches half-top, so I'm cutting my sandwich. Depending on the size of the chicken breast, you may just get 2 sandwiches from portion number 1. Take a look at that tangy, salty, yummy chicken mango sandwich. Now be sure the mango isn't too soft. I just bit into that perfect summer sandwich. Yum! It's yummy-licious. Meal number 2, portion number 2. Depending on the size of the chicken, you might make 2. This is seaweed wrap, used for musubi or sushi. Fold in half, make a crease down the middle. Put to one side, and let's look at the rest of the ingredients in chicken portion number 2. We have cheese, pepper jack and cheddar, or any kind of cheese will do. Lettuce, boiled shredded chicken with mayo, and mango. Tell me in the comment below, have you ever had mango in your sandwich before? Now unfold the seaweed wrap, cut along the crease, start from the bottom and cut up to the middle. Let's start with the mango. Put it in the lower right. Spread some chicken on the upper right. Put the cheese on the upper left. If it's cut thin, it's okay if it goes over. Finally, the lettuce goes to the lower left. Now the fun part. Let's fold. Start at the lower right, fold it up to the upper right. Step 2. Fold the upper right onto the upper left. Step 3. Fold the upper left onto the lower left. Ta-da! We have the 4 ingredients all neatly stacked up. The mango, the chicken, the cheese, and the lettuce. Cut in half with a pair of scissors. Easier this way than with a knife. Now for the best part, the bite. Yum! 3 meals for $5. Well, let me do the math. I got the chicken breast for 97 cents a pound. I had 4 chicken breasts in that package that I bought for $4. So, chicken breast is $1. The mango is another $1. The eggs, I figured it at 75 cents since I'm using 3 eggs. So, that's $2.75. The $2.25, I'll put that up for the miscellaneous. You know, the half of a cucumber that I pulled out of our refrigerator, and a little bit of peanuts in my peanut can, and lettuce, seasoning. I think that's about $2.25. What do you think? Meal number 3, we'll use 3 lightly salted hard-boiled eggs. Lightly salted for only 15 minutes. See link below. Meal number 3 is the easiest, so I'll get back to it shortly. First, let me share something about my YouTubing journey. Hey, if you notice, I'm doing this in a car. I'm waiting for somebody. That's another thing I like about YouTubing. It's like writing. In writing, all I need is a pen and paper, and I can do it anywhere. With YouTubing, all I need is my smartphone. I'm home now. I'm not in the car anymore waiting for someone. You see, I can't let YouTubing take over my life. I had schedules before YouTubing, so I have to insert my YouTubing time around my life. That's one aspect of the challenge I have, 3 weeks into YouTubing. The other bigger challenge is, where do I get the money I use for the materials I use for projects to YouTube? YouTube requires 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. 3 weeks into YouTubing, I have 18 out of the 1,000 subscribers I need. And I have 385 views. As for the hours, I haven't calculated that yet. I'm a long ways from meeting YouTube requirements. So I foresee that I'll be doing this for who knows how long. It's a good thing that I'm enjoying the journey. But that means that I will continue to spend money creating the projects. Now, I could go on and just tell you about YouTubing and try not to spend money, but I want to share something tangible with my viewers. Something that could inspire your creativity, or something that might help you with your business. I definitely want to share something with you that you could use, something that could enhance your life, whether it's saving some money or creating party props for your own use or to sell from home. So, where do I get the money that I spend on materials when I can't and I won't let YouTubing take over my finances either? So I have to be creative, very creative on where I get that money. Number 1, as I said earlier in my previous videos, this is something that I do anyway, creating party props, creating party decorations. So when I create them, I videotape them and I share those tutorials. So that's not additional money spent. Number 2, when I show food videos for parties, I make sure that I use the stuff that I already have at home in the refrigerator. I also make sure that I buy things on sale, like chicken at 97 cents. Plus, the food I create is something that my family will eat anyway. So there's another way to save money. The third thing is, I'm not buying supplies for videotaping. For example, like a camera holder, I use boxes for that. Like lighting materials, I use the lights that I already have here at home, or I go outside. And as you can see, I videotape very close. I shouldn't, because I should be hiding my wrinkles, but hey, you know that I'm retired, right? But the reason why I videotape very close is so that I won't have to spend extra money on microphone equipment. So to summarize, where do I get the money for materials? Number 1, I strictly use the things that I already have. I don't buy any equipment for videotaping. That's an absolute. I make it a point to save money in my grocery shopping, which actually I think I'm saving money doing videotaping. And then for the party props project, they're things that I would do anyway, and then I sell them. So 3 weeks into videotaping, what have I really spent money on? Nothing much. Just my time that I schedule around my life. Hey, watch on. We still have the third meal coming up. But I'd like to take this time to thank everyone who's viewed my videos. Thank you, B-Backers. And thank you to everyone who shares them. I know who you are. Thank you so much. And thank you for the subscribers, the 18 subscribers. Please keep following my progress. We may make it and we may not. But the point is, we're going to enjoy it, right? So now let's go to the third meal. Going back to meal number 3. It's a mini party platter of unused food from projects this week. It's a smorgasbord of tastes in a platter, an amazing combination of tangy, sweet, salty, and bland flavors. Salty canned peanuts, bland cucumbers, sweet tangy orange, and mango from today's project. And of course, the slightly salted eggs. See link below for recipe. I left the eggs to soak for 15 minutes to get just a hint of saltiness. I'm drying up the eggs with a white tissue paper before I put them on the platter. I cut up the eggs into fourths, and that completes the platter. That's plenty enough to serve for 2. A perfect snack for girlfriend chats. 3 meals for under $5? That's big. And might I add, nutritious too. Very healthy. On this channel, you not only get real-time experience on my YouTubing progress, but I also give you something tangible, a tutorial that can help you. So please subscribe, share this video and other videos, and bye for now. See you soon.